make the most of your camping experience. If you love the great outdoors, Mother Nature, and the smell of fresh air, nothing will please you more than a nice camping trip. But, there are some things you need to know about camping before going on your trip. This video will give you the best camping tips around. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. If you are traveling with children, give them the opportunity to assist you when you get to the campground. They can carry gear, support you as you set up the tent and look for firewood. Not only will it keep them busy and out of trouble, it will be fun for them as well. When you are planning a camping adventure, make sure you pack the appropriate clothing for your trip. Check the weather forecast and bring the clothing that will be needed on your trip. If it is going to be cold, make sure you have the appropriate coats, gloves, and shoes. Remember to also pack a rain poncho no matter what the weather forecast predicts. If you are traveling with children, consider staying at a campground that is specifically designated for families. Campers in these areas know what to expect and will not have an issue if you have a cranky toddler or your children want to run around, scream and play. You will probably be more relaxed as a result and have a better time. In conclusion, going on a camping trip is for you, if you enjoy being outdoors. But, it's crucial that you are properly prepared for your trip if you want to have a good time. The tips this video has provided you with can be used to help you have the best camping trip ever. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.